Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and win trucking contracts on Sam.Gov. So this is helpful because Sam.Gov is where many US government contract opportunities are listed, including jobs related to freight, hauling, delivery, logistics, and transportation services. So to get started, open up your browser and go to Sam.Gov. And once you're on the home page, you'll see a different sections like contracting, federal assistance, entity information, and more. Since we're looking for trucking contracts, you want to focus on contracting side of the website. From the home page, click on search at the top menu. So this will take you to the main search page. On this page, you can search for contract opportunities using keywords in the search bar. You can type simple terms like trucking, freight, transportation, hauling, or delivery. You can also try different keywords because some contracts may use different wording. After typing your keyword, make sure the search is set to all words, or you can choose another search option if you want the results to be more specific. Then click the search button. And once the results load, use the filters on the left side to narrow things down and make sure the status is set to active because active opportunities are the ones that are still open. And you can also filter by federal organization if you are looking for contracts from a specific agency. And at the top, you may also see a different categories like all domains, contracting, federal assistance, entity information, and more. So for this topic, choose contracting so the results are focused on contract opportunities. And when you find trucking related opportunity, click on it and read the details carefully and look for the due date, location, type of work needed, requirements, attachments, and instructions on how to submit your bid. So this part is important because every contract have different rules. So to have a better chance of winning, only choose contracts that match the services, equipment, and experience that you can actually provide. So read the instructions fully and prepare a clear offer. Include all required documents and submit everything before the deadline. And winning is not guaranteed, but following the instructions properly can help your bid look more complete and professional. And that's the basic process for finding the bidding on contract. And that is the basic process for finding and bidding on trucking contracts using Sam.gov. So take your time when searching, use different keywords, and always review the full contract details before submitting anything. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.